Kitty, Revus, relaxing, chilling up there. And then this one ran all the way around from where Revus was. Fozzie, yeah, did. I didn't catch him running, but he did. He ran from here to. And there's Revus. I wish I could catch him running sometimes. Oh, here we go. Okay, this is pretty good. I mean, not running, but at least traveling. And Revus stopped to look at, ooh, bear. I think you're about getting on it too. Okay. Went down to the couch. Fozzie's here. Bear's up there now. I wonder if he'll get on the cat superhighway. Look around, see if anybody has moved. Nope. He may just settle in up there. He does sometimes. Yeah, he's settling in up there. So, that's it. Oh, where'd Revus go? Revus? I don't know where he went. Maybe behind the couch. He does that sometimes. Okay, bye.